Welcome to IdeaPros.
Hey, come on in. I'm glad to have you here. Hey, I'm Fred Carey.
Hello, I'm Mike Corradini.
Mike and I started IdeaPros a couple of years ago after long careers of our own. Mike started 6 different companies. I've started over 10. A couple of them went public, a couple more acquired by public companies, and I have one company now that is doing over $700 million a year. Every one of the companies that both of us started were from a napkin idea. And we know that you're in that same position right now. We want to partner with you and help you take your idea and turn it into an actual product.
First, when you apply with IdeaPros, we take confidentiality extremely serious. From the moment that you provide your information to us, everything is 100% secure and protected. Second, we surround you and your idea with a team of experts to help reduce your time and cost in getting to market. And number 3, the average product or app takes $500,000 to $1 million to launch. You pay us a fraction of that cost in order to align yourself with our team of experts and to take your great idea and turn it into a well-positioned company.
And so, yeah, we want to partner with you. We want to bring our experience. We want to bring a really great team. We have designers, developers, research report writers. We have marketing folks, engineers. We do everything really from cradle to launch, and we would love for you to be our partner in that journey.
A great idea is nothing without execution. So if you believe in your idea and you have a strong desire to succeed, I want you to apply right now and speak to Fred, myself, or one of our team members to see if we can help.
We'll be waiting for you.